Hi and welcome to Breathwork series. If you are new to this channel, my name is Yovana, and if you haven't watched the introduction video for the Breathwork series, you should definitely check it out. Today we are going to talk about the alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana. So before we actually go and jump into practicing this breath, I would like to share with you the benefits and contraindications about this breath, so you have all the tools necessary to know best when to use this breath, or maybe when you should skip it or leave it for another day. So some of the benefits, actually there is plenty of benefits to this breath, but the most important benefit is that this breath is a cooling breath. So it's best to be done either after a strenuous exercise, or maybe vinyasa yoga, or maybe when you just feel like you are feeling hot, or maybe there is some fire burning inside, maybe your mind is just preoccupied and you just want to cool your mind and body down. This is an awesome cooling breath. By cooling, I mean reducing your body temperature, reducing all the heat in your body. And after that, it's alternate nostril breathing. It's a great technique that you can use to balance your energies and also balance your brain. So on the physical body, it balances both brain hemispheres, and in energy-wise, it balances our energy. We all have a feminine and masculine energy. We all have this fire, so sun and the moon, inside of us. So sometimes when you're getting too triggered or angry, or when you just have too much energy, means that the sun energy is prevailing in that moment. This masculine energy, this fire is there, and we need both to exist, to survive, to be. But if we are too much of one or another, it's not good. Other than balancing and cooling, this breath is great for reducing stress. It's also good for anxiety, and it's awesome for creating a focus. So if you are planning to do some study or maybe meditation, this is a great breathing exercise to do before that. And now that we know all the benefits, we can't just skip to the breath. We also have to mention some contraindications. So there is two of them basically, but nothing significant and can be adjusted. So if you are having a nasal congestion, if you are maybe having a flu and your nose is full, you wouldn't be able to do this breath, because if practicing this breath, actually while practicing this breath, we need to close one nostril. So if you have a blocked nose and you're closing your nostril, you wouldn't be able to inhale or exhale through it. It's pretty basic, but if you show up for a class, or if you just want to practice breathing and you are having a flu or cold, better wait for it to pass. So it's more a precaution than contraindication, but it's worth to mention. And the second one is holding the breath is part of this practice, and it's not recommended for pregnant women or people who have issues with heart or blood pressure. But it can be adjusted to do this breathing without holding. I will explain in a minute how we can adjust the breath for pregnant women and for people with heart and blood pressure issues. So now that we explained all the benefits and some contraindications, why don't we go to actual breath? Alternate nostril breathing is very self-explanatory. If you want to use a hand mudra, you can keep your pinky and ring finger together and bend two of your fingers, and then you will use these two fingers to close one nostril and then thumb to close another nostril. If this is too complicated for you and your hand is already cramping, I get you completely. You can just use, you can place your 2 fingers here and just use your ring finger and your thumb to close. And if you feel like this is not working for you, you can just use thumb like this and a pinky or a ring finger to close. You don't have to touch your face. So these are 3 variations for hand. For this breathing, it's completely up to you how you feel comfortable. And let's demonstrate how it's done. So I'll choose this version. It's more convenient, easier for the hand. I will place 2 of my fingers on my forehead, and I will use my thumb and my ring finger to close my nostrils. We start on the left side. So we will close the right side first. We will inhale on the left side. We will hold the breath, close both nostrils, and we will exhale on the right side. We will inhale on the right side, close the right side, hold, open the left, exhale on the left. This is 1 round. So for people who have heart issues or pregnant women, we skip the hold. So you will inhale, close, right, open, exhale. Inhale, right nostril, close the right nostril, exhale on the left. So it's pretty much the same without holding the breath. So now let's do it together. Take a comfortable seat of your choice. You can join me in Sukhasana, or you can sit on your knees. You can also sit on a chair. And straighten your spine, elongate your back, your neck. Maybe move something, adjust. And once you're ready, choose your hand position. And we will take just 1 or 2 breaths to settle our energy. And then we go ahead and close the right nostril. We will inhale through the left. On the full inhale, we will hold, close the left nostril, and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Hold, open the left nostril, and exhale through the left. Second round, we inhale through the left. Hold at the top, close left nostril, open the right, exhale. Inhale the right nostril, hold, exhale on the left. Third round, inhale left nostril, close, hold at the top, exhale through the right nostril. Inhale on the right, hold, open the left, exhale on the left. And 1 round, 1 last round, inhale on the left, hold at the top, and exhale to the right. Inhale to the right, close and hold, exhale to the left. You can release your arm. If your eyes were open, close them. If they were closed, keep them closed for just a moment and return to your normal breathing. Notice how these 4 rounds that we did together made you feel. Do you feel more relaxed? You feel like you can breathe a little bit deeper. Your energy is balanced. And you can gently open your eyes. I would suggest that you do at least 6 to 8 rounds of this breath in future on your own. You can use any hand techniques that you like. And don't forget that if you are pregnant or you have any heart issues, or if you feel maybe dizzy when you hold your breath, it's perfectly fine, and it's as efficient to do this breath work without holding a breath at the top. Something else that I would like to mention is that if you aren't sure how is your energy, if you feel like moody or confused there, just or you just like to check how is your energy, you can close your eyes and you can try by, by placing and closing one nostril and try to breathe by left nostril only. We will do the same on the other side. We close the left and we try to breathe on the right one too. Now that we've done this couple of rounds of breathing, my energy is pretty balanced. But if we've done this before practicing the breath, you can notice that one side is more blocked than the other. That means that if the left side is blocked, your sun energy is blocked or not flowing in balance and it needs a little push. If the right side is blocked, that your moon, your calm energy is blocked and you need to balance it out. If both of them are perfectly open, then you're all good. And of course, you can do this breathing for other benefits. It doesn't have to be only for balancing. You can focus, and it can help you with your managing your stress and other things that we already spoke about. If you learned anything today, if you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and let me know down below in the comments. If you are new to this channel, I would really appreciate if you follow me and turn on that notification button so you get notified when the new breathwork videos are out. And I hope to see you again on the mat. Namaste.